Okay, so my name is Wunmi Ogunde. I'm from Nigeria. I run a company called EcoProne and EMR Consult. So what we do is work in the environmental space and the recycling space in Nigeria. So one of my company, we help businesses and individuals capture value for their waste. So that way they're able to exchange their recyclables for healthcare vouchers, for healthcare services, for eco coins and cash gifts as well. So we're trying to promote the recycling and the environmental initiative in Nigeria. So, and how has WMG contributed to that? Actually, it all started from WMG. The University of Warwick, WMG was one of the first places that I went when I was looking to start in this space. I had gone online to try and find what university was offering manufacturing engineering, and WMG came up, and then obviously I applied to the university and I was able to get that, and they were one of the top on the list between the top 10 universities, and that way I was like, okay, I'm definitely going here, and it's been a very life-changing experience for me because it all started from here, from my thesis on plastic recycling and having to work in a plastic manufacturing company. I was able to grow my career from an engineer to the technical manager for production and recycling before I resigned to start my own business. So I would really attribute my success and everything that I am right now to the WMG family and the WMG department itself, because it's giving me a lot of backbone to what I've done and what I'm still doing in Nigeria.